This puppy acted weird and revealed the mysterious history of his previous owners and a hidden treasure. We can always see a pet or two looking for a place or home to stay because of their abandonment. Remember that every animal or pet rather has a history too. You never know what bringing them home can lead to. This dog, for instance, led to a discovery so big that it literally flipped the whole life of his owner. The dog had a history as interesting as any character in a mystery novel. So what exactly did it discover and how did this come about? Let's find out. We must have all heard about someone or the other taking in an abandoned or stray dog. Well, even in this story, this puppy went through the same experience. The dog's initial start in life was not one that was very different from others. He was at the shelter for a short while, and since he was so adorable, he did not need to wait so long. Someone quickly took an interest in him. And then, after being taken in by his owners, he was living a very comfortable life. He was cared for and fed. However, it was not soon before long that this poor puppy started to find trouble in his life. The course of his life was about to take a terrible turn. His humans did not want to care for him any longer, and before he knew it, he was abandoned on the side of the road. For a pet to have trusted and lived with a family, it would have been devastating for the poor pup. The worst thing that could possibly happen to a pet would definitely be to get abandoned on the streets. So when this puppy found himself outside with no home, you can just imagine the shock it must have felt. This tiny dog went around looking for his family right away. And for this puppy, it was hopeless to look for his previous owners because they were long gone. From what could be collected later, this human had apparently been arrested, and so there was no way for him to find them again. And also, they let him out of the yard to look for his food. It was really fortunate for him to be found by somebody. And for a pet lover, it would have been hard to see a small puppy wandering alone looking confused on the streets. And so there was someone in the neighborhood who saw this dog that appeared to be searching for something. They found the poor puppy all lonely and crying too. Since they did not know what better to do, they decided that taking him to the shelter would be ideal. Since the street is not a place for small puppy like this dog, they knew that they could at least count on the shelter for one thing. This poor puppy would be better off there and safe from any attack or getting cornered by bigger dogs. Also, since he was just a little puppy, the chances of him getting adopted was quite high. No one knew about the huge secret he was hiding. And so after he was taken from the streets, the people who discovered him there were certain that this puppy would soon find a home. And it had only been a few days for him there when someone took interest in the pup. He soon met his future owners, whom he mesmerized by just the lick of a hand and a wag of his tail. They immediately adopted him. And since he was an undoubtedly adorable dog, his new owners fell in love with him right away. They quickly grew fond of how he acted with them. They brought him home and showered him with loads of treats, cuddles, and love. And after a short while, the pup was not alone anymore. Then something weird soon followed the life that seemed ideal. And the puppy is a breed that you can say is very special. The puppy in this story belongs to the Jack Russell mixed breed. We all know that this breed of dog is famous for one thing. They are always high energy. These dogs are uber active and always ready to play. Therefore, even this puppy loves to go for walks and run around in the park. So since this puppy belongs to a breed of dogs that are so full of energy, even this pup was continually ready to jump and run to fetch balls. He could always be seen barking at critters too if he was not running around. He was such a treasure for his new family, and they also loved to play with him and keep him entertained in their own property. And since the little dog had been given love before, he was beyond happy to be given love and affection once more. The pup's behavior showed just how happy he was to spend time with his new family, who absolutely cherished him. They owned a large property, so the new family would let him run around, sniffing everything he possibly could. The little pup was always energetic and glad that he was given ample space to play in. His new family loved to give him what he wanted too. The pup also loved to jump the fence and run around it. This was a very odd behavior to witness. His family was confused as to what their new dog was trying to do. What took place next was indeed a shocking revelation. Just when they thought nothing could go wrong, something unexpected took place. This puppy was hovering about next to the fence, and soon he got out and ran outside. And after seeing this, his new owners, the couple, went after their pooch. It was strange because their puppy was digging vehemently under the fence. What was the reason for this? And when they saw him from far, the couple was quite confused. What was this little guy up to? Since they got scared that something bad might happen, they ran after him and called out for him to get back. The only thing they were able to do was scratching their heads in confusion. Why was he digging so intently? Well, the couple did not realize that he was trying to show them something. And since this dog was energetic and quick, the couple could not get to him right away. They had to run after him and follow him. They had no clue that he was not running away, but rather trying to show them something. The adventurous pup soon made a stop at the shadow of a tree. He then went on to sniff around this area as if he was looking for something. The puppy had gone far off, and the couple was not able to reach him quickly. The couple soon caught up with the puppy and were glad to see that he had stopped when reached a certain location. So where did he stop and why? Well, it turns out the dog had actually stopped for a good reason. There was something there that he needed to show his new owners. And so as soon as the woman got close, she went to check why her dog was acting so weird. She wanted to know why they had to chase him all the way there. Surely there must have been a good reason as to why he decided to stop right there. Since the dog was sniffing all over, they grew a little intrigued. Why was he there and what was under the ground? When the woman got close to the location, she went to get a closer look. And what she found there was nothing too out of the ordinary. There lay an old rusty can whose lid was a little opened. The can seemed to be used for storing something. What could it be used for then? Then after she picked it up, the dog proceeded to another location and sniffed around once more. And when the dog acted weird and sniffed around another area, she followed him again. And so after following the dog around, in the end, the pooch had managed to lead his owners to find 8 rusty cans. All of these cans had been spread around under the shade of the tree. This was a very peculiar incident because the dog knew exactly where to sniff. And these cans were not just empty ones. The woman could tell that there was something inside. But what could it be? Since the couple got extremely curious, they quickly tried to open one of the cans. And what the cans hid inside was something truly remarkable. So what exactly did these cans keep inside that made the couple's jaws drop? What were these cans used for? How did they end up here? But most importantly, how did the dog get to know the exact location of these mystery cans? Could it be that their dog had led them to a discovery of treasure? Before they could come to a conclusion, the couple would have to take off the lids to find out exactly what was inside. And when they finally opened the cans, they were left speechless. As soon as the lid was taken off, the contents inside began to sparkle right away, and they wondered if this was really gold. They were dazzling so much that it made them question whether they could be real or not. And if they happened to be real gold, it would have been even better. And after finally uncovering what was inside the mysterious cans, the couple could not believe what they were seeing right in front of them. They were shocked to see what the first rusty can had inside. Who would have ever thought that these cans had held onto such valuable coins? Well, they appeared to be made of pure gold, so this was definitely a surprise. After learning about the contents inside the can, the two of them were left quite stunned. The woman then had this to say to her dear husband: "Don't be above bending over to check on a rusty can." It was basically her opinion now, to always be alert and aware of their surroundings. You never know what lies behind. They soon got to know the worth of their discovery. So after their discovery, the couple picked up all the can and coins, and they made their way back home, which was followed by them cleaning the coins from the dust that had accumulated. And soon the couple did a little research and found out what these coins were. The two of them were looking at 1,427 coins that were basically from 1847 to 1849. They got more intrigued by the mystery coins. The two of them went to get them checked by an expert. This guy was from the professional coin grading service of Santa Ana named David Hall. He was a historian who was an expert in this field, and what he had informed the couple was only things to celebrate about. Their discovery was truly unbelievable. And so after more investigation was done, a veteran numismatist, Don Kagan, who also represents the couple, also told the people, found the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. They had literally found gold in a random place, all thanks to their newly adopted dog, of course. If it had not been for him, they would have never been able to make such a profound discovery. And just like what Mr. Hall said had spoken, the coins were actually still in mint condition. They had remained uncirculated and were also dated back from 1847 to 1849. Who would have ever guessed that the tree had been keeping such a wonderful treasure? And also, what did the couple end up doing with the treasure that was now basically theirs? This was something else, something quite interesting that the woman also went on to reveal. She had mentioned in an interview that she gave where she spoke about how she checked with astrology. From there, she had found it hilarious because my chart did talk about treasure, but it was more about the treasure of spirit, she confessed. The stuff written on the astrology was correct. After all, it did seem to be the treasure of their spirit. The pooch had led them to a material treasure. There was still one question that was left to be answered. It was about the original owner of the coins, of course. Where did these coins come from? And how did they get to be kept next to the tree? And also, who are these guys who found the treasure from? And also, you as readers might be wondering why their identities have not yet been revealed. There is a good reason why we have not disclosed the name of the couple or even their dog. It turns out the two of them want to be kept out of the public's knowledge, and so their names have to be hidden. Even though they have encountered such an amazing find, the couple decided to remain anonymous. They did this so that they can avoid people. They do not want other people to snoop around their property in search of other possible hidden treasures that may still be there. Who knows? There may still be some other gold that is waiting to be dug up. To actually find a hidden treasure in the comfort of your own property is something truly incredible. The lady also went ahead and revealed that she never would have thought we would have found something like this. However, in a weird way, I feel like I have been preparing my whole life for it. They soon figured out the history that these gold coins had. Could it be that the dog had guided his new owners to find the treasure that had been hidden by the previous owners? You never know if the previous owners had hidden these cans before they had the pup. The smell of the treasure must have been familiar, so he could have followed its trail too. There was yet another theory that also made sense. The people who found the treasure used the alias John and Mary on websites because they needed to sell some of the coins they found. They also decided to keep some of the coins to commemorate what a weird discovery it had been. And on the topic of the previous owners, they guessed whoever left the coins might have been involved in the mining industry. The value, when measured in gold, was not that high. However, the historical value and the mint condition they were in, since they had remained hidden away, just as they went into circulation, made their value increase. Each of the coins was quite expensive, and you won't believe this, but one of the coins had the potential of being sold for $1 million. Where were they from? Well, the couple resides in California and have decided to give a name to their property, Saddle Ridge. So fittingly, Mr. Kagan also named the discovery the Saddle Ridge Hoard, and he claims that this could potentially be the biggest raid in the U.S. history. As for the puppy, he would now receive all the treats and love he would ever require.